Welcome back, YouTube family. Today, we're going to be checking out the M Experiment M Hazard hat. We're going to go over some of the details, try it on, and give you our first impressions. But before we get into that, of course, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode. And I always say this, but you guys need to check out our other videos because many of our least watched videos are some of our greatest work. So definitely check out our other videos. And for those of you who have not yet read my book, you need to check this out. This is literally the second best book ever written. Who doesn't love a great come from behind win? Well, I have a great come from behind win, and I want to share it with you. I lived in a homeless shelter in high school and still retired early at the age of 46. So read my book. You can retire early too. And even if you don't like to read, listen, even if you hate reading, I promise you will love this book. It's very entertaining. So check it out. Links are going to be below in the description. But let's get to this. So M Experiment, here's the cap, the M Hazard hat. And this is their website. You guys are probably going to be familiar with mexperiment.com. But I'm going to show you guys anyway because it's a great website. And I'm just going to show you real quickly how to get there. I'm going to link this below in the description as well. But for those of you who want to get there, you go to the stuff and you go to headwear. And then you're going to have a number of different items available. Of course, you scroll down. And don't forget too, some of these on the right-hand side, there's going to be a little arrow. So there are additional colors, right? For some of these that may not show up on screen right away. And also, don't forget, this is the M Hazard hat, right? A little bit different than the M hat. So don't get that confused. The M Hazard hat is going to be down towards the bottom, almost at the very bottom, right here. And I wish they had more than one color. I'm sorry, two colors. They have the black and the white, which is fine. But I chose the white, and I want to apologize too. I wanted to do an official unboxing, but when this arrived in the mail, I got a little excited. It wasn't a box. I unboxed it. However, it's still in the original plastic wrap. So let's check this out, actually. I'm going to go over some of the details that I can tell even without unwrapping this yet. Come on in. Well, first, look at this. You got the tag here, right? It's got the SKU, M Hazard hat. It's got the M Experiment icon. And again, this is unopened. And it's got the fancy choking hazard warning, so you don't let your kids play with this like an airhead. And in a number of different languages, but this is sealed. There's no way to open this unless you actually tear the bag open. But let's come on, let's tear it open. Let's check it out. So I've been waiting to wear this thing, waiting to do this video. Come on in. This is what I really like. The hat is white. As always, you guys got to be careful with white because anytime it's white, it's going to be a magnet for dirt and grime. But if you notice this logo, it almost appears to be three-dimensional. Not only is it embroidered, which I prefer that far over screen printing, but it sticks out. It's almost three-dimensional. Can they see that from the side? Can they see that on the background of the computer screen, of the laptop screen there? Can they see it? Can you zoom in a little bit so you guys can see that? See, it's almost three-dimensional, almost sticks out. So I like that a lot. Also, the interior here is a different material than the hat itself, right? So it's almost like a patch was sewn on, and the material is silver. So it's a different color than the white. Slight variation, gives it a nice, very subtle contrast. I like that a lot. That's why I chose this hat. Also, you got the the Experiment down here, right? For the M Experiment logo. And this is also almost like Braille. It sticks out. So I like this a lot. The back has the Experiment embroidered as well. It doesn't stick out as much, but that's fine. Now, the closure is Velcro. I prefer Velcro. Unless you're getting a fitted hat, you guys know there's pretty much two different ways for the enclosure to secure. You got the Velcro, or you've got the little, what are those, the little snap tight. I prefer the Velcro myself. Let's remove the, oh wait, here we got a tag in here too. Come on, let's check out the tag just in case there's anything interesting in there. So what's it say on there? Valencia Circle. Okay, Lake Forest. Blah, 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 blah. Made in Vietnam. Okay. And anything else on the other side? Oh, we got a QR code. If you guys want to scan that with your phone, get a close up of the QR code so they can scan that if in case they want to. All right. And then there's a piece of cardboard here, which of course I'm going to remove. All right, let's try this thing on. I'm pretty excited. Oh, I don't have that big of a head. I have to adjust the band here in the back just a little bit. Not much. But let's try this on. All right. And I like that the bill is curved. My wife is smiling uncontrollably. I think she thinks I'm even more handsome with this hat on. I'm glad I bought it. Right? This is great. It actually, this is going to sound a little crazy, but you know what? This hat, it feels like my noggin is really secure. I don't know why. Unlike other hats that I've worn. So this is the hat. And you know what? I know this is maybe a bit of a surprise, but I wanted to do kind of an ultimate combo here. So I actually, today, we're going out, and come on in a little bit, and I decided to customize a pair of original half jackets. Keep in mind, these are not Luxottica trash. I know this is an M experiment video, but it's Jim, it's Jamin, it's the roots of Oakley. It's before Luxottica trash took over. So we're gonna check, come on in. We're gonna check these out. So I actually configured these. These did not have these lenses in here, but look at these. Wow, polished white, satin silver icons, white ear socks, 24K lenses, I guess, and XLJ, of course. I guess the only thing that would be better than this is if these were polarized. I don't even know if they had polarized 24K XLJ lenses. So we're gonna tie everything together. Look at that. Wow. But guess what? We're not done. Wait a minute. Hang on. Keep the camera up here. I got a little surprise. Check this out, guys. We got our gold foams, man. So we got our foamposites. We got our genuine OEM, like old school Oakleys, not Luxottica trash. We got our M Experiment M Hazard hat. We got a gold time bomb, in case you guys didn't notice I was wearing that. And this is like our ultimate combo for the day. We're going to be going out, and I'm dressed for success now, baby. Hey, make sure you guys hit that bell icon. As always, thank you for liking, watching, commenting, subscribing, and we will see you next time.